Coming up, it is one of the popular 3-bed properties, and as we enter the property, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, nice carpets as you can see, and in the typical upside down style we have 2 double bedrooms to the ground floor, with the main bedroom benefiting from the light well. Then we've got this lovely 3-piece bathroom complete with a sunken bath. As we head upstairs, we go into a large open plan lounge diner area. Backs on out to the garden terrace to the rear. And you'll find on the first floor there is a 3rd bedroom which is currently in use as a lounge. And to the top floor we have a modern fitted kitchen, again with a typical chimney style light well. Properties in Chimney Pot Park are incredibly popular because it's within walking distance to Salford Quays, immediate city, along with being within walking distance along with the tram stop, which provides direct access into the city centre. Get in touch with us again today.